Let's use Venn diagrams to find the results of set operations on two sets. Now let's use set A and set B to show A or B. All right, well, I'm going to use a thick line here to show A or B. You ready? Because A or B is everything, right? It's all of this. Oh, great. That was fun. Now, let's show A and B. And I'm going to do this by coloring in the space of shade. I'm going to shade in A and B. So A and B is just this middle piece because remember that and means shared content. So set A and set B must have the share the elements that go in the and, whereas or, it just has to exist somewhere. All right, so let's use the following Venn diagram to answer the following questions. There are 6 of them. We are going to first find A and B. Well, remember, A and B is the shared space. So the shared space is right up in here. Therefore, A and B would be the set 3, 5. Great. Back up. Before we do any more, I want to focus just on our Venn diagram for a minute. You'll notice we have the universal set, and then we have sets A and B. If we look at the numbers in, we can see that our universal set is the set of numbers from 1 to 9. We've got 7 out here at the universal set. 1, 2, and 8 are solely in A. 3 and 5 are the shared elements. 4, 6, and 9 are in solely in B. Okay, so now when I go to letter B, over here on the right, we have A or B. Well, A or B, if you look, right, that's this shared, right, everything in A or B. And that's basically everything except 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Because the element of 7 is in the universal set, but it does not exist in A or B. It is what it is. Okay. Now, C, we're going to get into some exciting things. C is the complement of A. So first we think of what is A. Okay, so we're going to jump down and do E. Because if we think about complements, for me, it's so much easier to say, okay, if I know what A is, then the complement of A is everything else. So I'm looking at just A. We're doing letter E first. A is the set of 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. Those all exist in A. So that means A complement, I'm going to put that here at the bottom, is everything else in the universal set that does not exist in A. So that's going to be 4, 6, 7, and 9. That's A complement because everything else is in A, right? This is why it's important sometimes to start with what is my universal set? What am I dealing with? All right, so now that I know A complement and B, well, what's B? Well, B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So where are the common pieces between A complement and B? Well, they both have 4, they both have 6, and they have 9. So this would be 4, 6, and 9. Because that's what we're looking at, right? We're looking at and. What elements do they share? All right. Now let's look at letter D. Let me just get rid of this. Letter D is A or B complement. Now, we've already found A or B. That was part B. Now, if I want to find the complement of that, it's everything else. So A or B, remember, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, letter B. Everything else would just be 7. Ta-da! And last but not least, the letter F, A and B complement. Well, we found A and B in letter A, which was 3, 5. So the complement of that would be everything else. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, it helps to know what the universal set is so that you can deal easily with the complements.